Zenpy Facial Steamer is a new Nano Ionic steamer that combining a conventional heating element with a new ultrasonic vaporizer to produce nano steam with negatively charged ionic particles. Nano steam combined with ionic water particles are up to 10x more effective in penetrating skin. Full face steamer for intensive skin care and inhalation attachment for nose and mouth inhalation to clears your blocked nose. Humidifier function. Suitable for all type skin. A relaxing stream of warm mist covers your whole face with its finely tuned nozzle, quickly opening up pores to thoroughly remove makeup, dirt, and other impurities from skin. Blackhead Remover Tool Kit. After steamed face, the blackhead, pimples, and acne all open, the blackhead extractor loops and needles could effectively help you handle those skin problem. A simple push generates superfine steam particles, 4,000 times finer than ordinary steam, to penetrate deep into skin and replenish natural moisture, leaving your face exceptionally hydrated. Facial steamer with exquisite package. With an exquisite package and practical blackhead, pimples, and acne removing effectiveness suit, the best gift for your relatives or friends. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.